a symphony of all you mean to me, a very special love song. And babe, if there's a way, you know I'm gonna say it, babe. If there's a melody, I'll play it, and I'll play it through, especially for you, and all the words are true, a very special love song. Surprised if you're sitting alone and you hear it, 'cause I'm gonna sing it to the whole big lonely world. So turn your radio way down low and get near it, and I'll tell the world I love you, girl. There's an ounce of love, I'm gonna give it to you, babe. If there's a breath of life, I'm gonna live it every day for you, and oh, the whole night through, singing just for you, a very special love song.
Extortion charge leveled against a Lakeville man. I'm Rod Trongard. This is KSTP, St. Paul, Minneapolis News and Information. The FBI said today one of its agents served as a substitute for banker Gunnar Kronholm in delivering $200,000 in ransom for the return of Kronholm's wife. It was also reported that the Lino Lakes, Minnesota woman was transported in a car truck for at least 8 hours of the 3.5 days that she was held. Meantime, arraignment today for 35-year-old James William Johnson of Lakeville on federal extortion charges in the kidnapping of Mrs. Kronholm last Friday. She spent the day today with her husband. There is a news conference scheduled for tomorrow to explain just what happened since she was abducted. Johnson appeared before a U.S. magistrate this morning. Bond set at $100,000. His attorney, Ron Meschbecher, has asked a preliminary hearing on a charge of extorting $200,000 from the Drover State Bank of South St. Paul. It was set for next Tuesday morning. Still no word on whether the money or any part of it has been recovered. St. Paul architect 36-year-old Michael Schneider has died of injuries suffered in an auto accident March 8th in England. His father, Raymond Schneider, is business manager for the Catholic Bulletin. At the AIM trial today, testimony from defense attorney Mark Lane and a former Justice Department negotiator. Lane testifying he made numerous phone calls into and out of Wounded Knee during the 71-day occupation by 200 or more Indians and white sympathizers dealing with confidential attorney-client matters over a phone line he claims was wiretapped by the government. Kent Frizzell, former U.S. Assistant Attorney General, says he assured a lawyer for Indians that the phone line from the village was not illegally tapped and that he had FBI assurances it was not eavesdropping on conversations in and out of the village. Senator James Buckley is among the most conservative of Senate Republicans and has also been one of the strongest supporters of Nixon administration policy. However, he's also been a vocal critic of President Nixon's handling of Watergate, and today called a news conference to ask the president to step down.
In order to preserve the presidency, Richard Nixon must resign as president. If future presidents are to carry out their grave responsibilities in the free and unfettered manner President Nixon desires, they must be able to inherit an office that has not been irrevocably weakened by a long, slow, agonizing inch-by-inch process of attrition.
The president in Houston, Texas tonight in a one-hour question-and-answer session before the National Association of Broadcasters will no doubt be questioned on Senator Buckley's call for Mr. Nixon's resignation. In sports, both the Saints and North Stars are in hockey action tonight. The Fighting Saints at Vancouver. The North Stars host California at the Met. Twin Cities weather shows a 20% chance of light snow or flurries late tonight and tomorrow, with occasional cloudiness tomorrow night and Thursday. Winds will be light and variable tonight, becoming northwesterly to 16 miles an hour tomorrow. Low tonight 17. Tomorrow and Thursday's high 26. Tomorrow night's low 10. Currently, KSTP temperature 33 degrees.
Well, I came upon the child of God. He was walking along the road, and I asked him, tell me, where are you going? Yes, he told me. Said, I'm going down to Lester's farm, gonna join in a rock and rollin'. Got to get back to the land, said my soul free. We are starving, we are golden, we are building harder, and we got to get ourselves back to the garden. Well, then can I walk beside you? I have come to lose the smile, and I feel myself becoming something turning. And maybe it's the time of year. Yes, and maybe it's the time of man. And I don't know who I am, but life is for learning. We are starving, we are golden, we are building harder, and we got to get ourselves back to the garden. We are starving, we are golden, we are building harder, and we got to get ourselves back to the garden. By the time we got to Woodstock, we were heavily strong. And everywhere was a star and a celebration. And I dreamed I saw the bomb and death flames riding shotgun in the sky, turning into butterflies above our nation. We are starving, we are golden, we are calling the devil's martyr, and we got to get ourselves back to the
Teen KSTP. All right. 607 on a music station. Machine Gun Kelly on Tuesdays. Best Midley. Boogie Woogie Bugle.
He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way, and he had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft, but then his number came up and he was gone off the draft. He's in the army now, he's blowing reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he could not jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cap went out and drafted a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a tootly, a toot. He blows an H to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. He was the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. And when he plays Boogie Woogie Bugle, he was busy as a boozy bee. And when he plays, he made the company jump A to the bar. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company baby. He blows an H to the bar. He can blow a note of a bass and guitars and with him. And the company jumps to leap in reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. With boogie every night and wakes them up the same way in the early pride. They clap their hands and stamp their feet, cause they know how it goes when someone gives them a beat. Wall to wall, he breaks it up when he plays reveille. The boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a tooty, a toot, deep blows and H to the bar. Yeah, can blow a note of a bass and guitars and walk with him. And the company just sleep his reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
15 KSTP, Little John Denver, by request.
Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. If I had a day that I could give you, I'd give to you a day just like today. If I had a song that I could sing for you, I'd sing a song to make you feel this way. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. If I had a tale that I could tell you, I'd tell a tale sure to make you smile. If I had a wish that I could wish for you, I'd make a wish for sunshine all the while. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. Sunshine almost all the time makes me high. Sunshine almost always.
KSTP and a gunner with the left bank. Walk away, Renee.
And when I see the sign that points one way, the lot we used to pass by every day, just walk away, Renee. You won't see me follow you back home. The empty sidewalks on my block are not the same. You're not to blame. From deep inside the tears that I forced to cry, from deep inside the pain that I chose to hide. Just walk away, Renee. You won't see me follow you back home. Now as the rain beats down upon my weary eyes, for me it cries. Just walk away, Renee. You won't see me follow you back home. Now as the rain beats down upon my weary eyes, for me it cries. Your name and mine inside a heart upon a wall still finds a way to haunt me, though they're so small. Just walk away, Renee. You won't see me follow you back home. The empty sidewalks on my block are not the same. You're not to blame.
Put in KSTP weather, fair and cool. Got a chance. Fair? Hold it. It's going to snow or something tonight. Not going to be fair. It's going to snow a little bit tonight. Possibly even tomorrow. Well, tonight 13. Tomorrow's high 30. Who wrote this stuff? Barry Saban? It's 6:23 now. It's 33 degrees in the cities. Uh-oh.
I can almost remember the bloody faces. That time you told him that you were gonna be marrying soon. And just, I thought the only
KSTP, the gunner of the animals.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. Children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling. And I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I said I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing.
15 KSTP, a Machine Gun Kelly, the #1 music station. Are you ready to get down and boogie? Oh, come on in there.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
G. Robinson, the Miracles, Peter to McCloud.
Now if there's a smile on my face, it's only there trying to fool the public. But when it comes down to fooling you, now honey, that's quite a different subject. Don't let my glad expression give you the wrong impression. Really, I'm sad, oh, sadder than sad. You're gone and I'm hurting so bad. Like a clown, I pretend to be glad. Now there's some sad things known to men, but ain't too much sadder than the tears of a clown when there's no one around. Oh yeah, baby. Now if I appear to be carefree, it's only to camouflage my sadness. In order to shield my pride, I've tried to cover this hurt with a show of gladness. But don't let my show convince you that I've been happy since you decided to go. Oh, I need you so. I'm hurt and I want you to know. But for others I put on a show. Ooh, there's some sad things known to man, but ain't too much sad than the tears of a clown when there's no one around. Oh yeah. Just like Pagliacci did, I try to keep my sadness hid, smiling in the public eye. But in my lonely room, I cry the tears of a clown when there's no one around. Oh yeah, baby. Now if there's a smile on my face, don't let my glad expression give you the wrong impression. Don't let this smile I wear make you think that I don't care. But really I'm sad.
There's a man who leads a life of danger. To everyone he meets, he stays a stranger. With every move he makes, another chance he takes, odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man, they've given you a number and taken
faces that you find. A pretty face can hide an evil mind. Oh, be careful what you say, you give yourself away. Odds are you won't live to see tomorrow. Secret Asian man, secret Asian man, they giving you a number and taking away your name. Slip while kissing persuasive lips. The odds are you won't live to see tomorrow. Secret Asian man, secret Asian man, they giving you a number and taking away your name.
KSTP Machine Gun Kelly on the #1 music station for North America. Nitty Gritty Dirt Band, House Off from the Corner.
Christopher Robin and I walked along under branches lit up by the moon, posing our questions to Owl and Eeyore as our days disappeared all too soon. But I wandered much further today than I should, and I can't find my way to the 3-acre wood. So help me if you can, I've got to get back to the house at the corner by 1. You'd be surprised, there's so much to be done. Count all the bees in the hive, chase all the clouds from the sky. Back to the days of Christopher Robin and Pooh. Winnie the Pooh doesn't know what to do, got a honey jar stuck on his nose. He came to me asking help and advice, and from here no one knows where he goes. So I sent him to ask of the owl if he's there, how to loosen a jaw from the nose of a bear. So help me if you can, I've got to head back to the house at True Corner by 1. You'd be surprised, there's so much to be done. Count all the bees in the hive, chase all the clouds from the sky. Back to the days of Christopher Robin, back to the ways of Christopher Robin, back to the days of
KSTP weather, fair and cool tonight. And there's going to be a chance of snowflakes around midnight tonight when Steve Shannon's boiling on the radio. Low tonight, 13. Tomorrow's high 30. Right now, 32 degrees. It's flat down freezing.
9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. La 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 li li da, la la li li da, da da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke, but there's some place that he'd rather be. He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. Oh, la 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 di di da, la la di di da, da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife, and he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as the businessmen slowly get stoned. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. A song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. It's a pretty good crowd for a Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while. And the piano, it sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a beer, and they sit at the bar and put bread in my jar and say, man, what are you doing here? Oh, la 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 di di da, la la di di da, da da.
7:15 KSTP. Billy Joel and the Piano Man.
If you're among the 180,000 Minnesota families changing addresses this year, Northwestern Bell suggests you consider Bell Ringer 28.
Anytime you change your phone service within Northwestern Bell's Minnesota service area, you can save money by having such options as extensions, touch tone, or special phones installed all at the same time.
That's just one of 90 ways to wring more money, time, and convenience. More total value out of your phone service. They're all listed in the new Bell Ringers booklet from Northwestern Bell.
There's a Bell Ringer for people who have difficulty using standard phones.
Through the years we've all been wishing just to spend a morning fishing, to be tramping off a camping in the woods. Well, Gokies is the key to going. Better gear makes better sport, so come on sport, let Gokies gear you up.
Get geared for summer at Gokies Camping and Backpacking Clinics. Learn all about new equipment and new techniques. There'll be plenty of factory reps and experts on hand to answer questions and lend advice. Gokies Camping and Backpacking Clinics, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, March 20th, 21st, and 22nd from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. For more information on each clinic, just give us a call or watch for our ads in the newspaper. Gokies, 21 West 5th, between St. Peter and Wabasha in St. Paul.
Going tennis or cross-country skiing, to the mountains or deep seeing. When hunting any game, there's just one name. Well, Gokies is the key to going. Better gear makes better sport, so come on sport, let Gokies gear you up.
May I help you, sir?
Hi, Burger King lady. What's new?
These new Burger King French fried onion rings.
Onion rings. Are they good?
Well, just look at them. Crisp, crunchy rings of chopped onion.
Does that mean they're good?
Fried up all golden brown by our French frying legion.
Yeah, but are they?
Perfect with a Whopper, a whaler fish sandwich, a Whopper Junior, or any of the delicious things on our menu.
But are they good?
They're so good you gotta try 'em. Crisp and golden's how we fry 'em. Full of flavor when you buy 'em, 'cause that's your way.
Here, try one. Now let me ask you, are they good?
No.
No.
They're terrific.
Oh.
Have it your way. Have it your way. Have it your way.
This magic moment, so different and so new, was like any other, until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, by the look in your sweeter than a blossom, softer than a summer
watching KSTP to Guess Who in the Gutter at 6:56.
Part of his fame, STP is the racer's edge. Daytona to Richmond, he's won all the big ones. At NASCAR they call him the king. Eddie's the name, part of his fame. STP is the racer's edge.
February 17th, 1974. Richard Petty wins for the 5th time, the race no other man ever won twice. And in all his victories, at this, America's premier stock car race, King Richard got the edge against friction and wear with STP oil treatment. STP oil treatment, the edge your car needs now.
STP is the racer's edge.
Countryside Volkswagen presents, ta-da, a completely new kind of Volkswagen. Come on out to Countryside. See and drive the 74 Volkswagen Dasher, a car astoundingly right for the times. The most dashing car Volkswagen has ever put together. The Dasher 2-door, the Dasher 4-door, the Dasher wagon. The Volkswagen Dasher at Countryside Volkswagen. Available with the VW owner's security blanket and almost any option you could want. See the Dasher at Peach Smelts Countryside Volkswagen. Highways 36 and 61, where they'll trade for anything except a broken heart.
I'm achy, irritable, gain all that puffy weight, feel so cranky.
Treat the total period problem with Trendar. Trendar relieves tension from water buildup as it relieves pain. Trendar relieves pain promptly and has extra ingredients to help relieve the puffiness from water buildup and the tense feelings that go with it.
Trendar lets me feel like myself.
Every time I think that I'm the only one who's lonely, someone calls on me. And every now and then I spend my time at climbing Bruce and Christoph's falsity. And then along comes Mary. And does she want to give me kicks? And he wants any chicken, give me pickled memories. Oh baby, rather got the tales from all the fields and tribulations no one ever sees. When we met, I was sure out to lunch. Now my empty cup tastes as sweet as the punch. When big desire is the fire in the eyes of chicks whose sickness is the games they play. And when the masquerade is played, the neighbor folks make jokes at who is most to blame today. And then along comes Mary. And does she want to set him free and let him see reality from where she got a name? And will they struggle much when told that such a tender touch of hers will make them not the same? When we met, I was sure out to lunch. Now my empty cup tastes as sweet as the punch. And when the morning of the warnings past the gas and placid kids are flung across the stars, the psychodramas and the traumas gone, the songs are never sung and hung upon the scars. And then along comes Mary. And does she want to see the stains, the dead remains of all the pain she left the night before? Oh, will their waking eyes reflect the lies and make them realize their urgent cry for sight no more? When we met, I was sure out to lunch. Now my empty cup tastes as sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch. Sweet as the punch.
KSTP St. Paul, Minneapolis, 7 o'clock with Machine Gun Kelly. And 57 minutes of music this hour on the Music Mother.
After midnight, we're gonna let it all hang down. After midnight, we're gonna chug a lug and shout. We're gonna stimulate some action. We're gonna get some satisfaction. We're gonna find out what it is all about. What it is all about. After midnight, We gon' lay it all hang down. After midnight, we gon' shake your tambourine. After midnight, so gon' be peaches and cream. Gon' cause talk and suspicion. We gon' give an exhibition. We gon' find out what it is all about.
What it is all about.